Hello, my name is Martin Serrano with student ID PNL 102696. I am currently taking the English course in the Industrial and System Anywhere program. By the time I graduate as an engineer, it will have completed several academic and practical projects related to production system and sustainable design. This project will have helped me understand how technology and efficiency can work together. I believe that by the moment it will have building not only technical skill, but also the ability to lead and make decisions responsibly. In the first years after graduation, it will be housed in company that was use innovation and teamwork. During that period and be par- participating in improvement projects and applying lean manufacturing techniques. That experience will have shaped my into a more disponibility and creativity professional. At the same that will be continue in my studies in project management and automation. By my fifth year of experience, it will have been sold for Bill Chelsea. Looking further into the future, by 2030, I will have started my own business focus on eco-friendly technology. During those years, I will be collaborating with other angels and entrepreneurs, developing new ideas and exploring international markets. While I will be working hard to grow my company, I also want to create a positive work environment. By that time, I will have developed leadership skills that balance results with human values. Then I look back years from now in hope I will have achieved a career that benefits both society and the environment. So, in conclusion, by the time I reach my goals, I will have become a professional you transformation, challenging you opportunities.